How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today, which is a 2020 Lexus IS300h. So of course we're going to go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn and see how it goes, and then I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I think of this Lexus. But before we get going, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars, and I'll see you guys on the Autobahn. Alright, so we're on the Autobahn now with the Lexus IS300h. We got the car in sport mode, AC is off. We're going to keep traction control on because it doesn't make a difference. I'm just going to go ahead and launch it and see what we can do. Alright, there goes the limiter. So I only had this car for a few minutes, and there's a few things I can say about this. Number one, there's this really annoying sound that comes from the speakers when you have it in sport mode. Really do not like that. I'm sure you guys can catch that on camera as well, especially because this car has a CVT. So on the outside you hear it just, wailing about, and then in the inside it sounds like it's shifting gears, but it sounds very fake. It sounds like a game simulator. So I really don't like that. But one thing I do have to mention is the quality of the interior is just great. This is one of the best interiors I've been in, and I think Lexus is known for that. It does feel a bit outdated, of course. This system is pretty old and everything, all the switch gear feels pretty old, but just super solid. And you have this nice leather here. Steering wheel is super soft. Armrest also nicely padded. So the interior quality wise is really up there with the best. It's just a bit outdated, as I said. Also, this clock looks really nice, and it's a really comfortable car to drive. It feels close to like a 5 Series BMW, even though it is smaller. So suspension wise and just the way it wafts about, really nice. Maybe that's because I just drove an Audi TT, and that was of course a bit more harsh, a bit more sporty, but overall this is a really nice commuter car, and it's very comfortable. As I said, just that annoying wailing sound that you get in sport mode, but you also get it in eco mode and in normal mode if you floor the accelerator. So those are the few things that I can say about this car. As I said, I've only had it for a few minutes, and I will be returning it to a friend here in a few minutes as well. So we're going to quit the video there. Be sure to subscribe, and I will have a lot more acceleration videos coming.